Hi, today I'll be giving you a demo of Messari's Asset and Fundraising Screener. You can access our screener from our left-hand navigation. I'll click on Screener. Once I land on the screener page, you'll see by default our Asset Screener. From our Asset Screener, you can either define in natural language what your filters you would like to see applied, or you can manually define filters from our drop-down here. I'll go through what it looks like to define in natural language. So I'm going to say, show me all assets that have a market cap above 1 billion with volume in the past 24 hours that is less than 2 billion. I'll click generate. When I click that button, our AI Copilot behind the scenes will apply those filters. Once I've created the screener, I can label the screener what I'm interested in, test screener. I can then save that to my screens, and you can see that it shows up in my screens here. From here, I can download the data to a CSV, or I can create a new screener. So I'll go to the Create New Screener button. From here, you can see our other screeners that we have available. We have our Investor Screener, Fundraising Screener, M&A Screener, and Fund Screener. Looking at the Fundraising Screener, I can apply similarly like what I would do for assets. I can look at I'm going to look at projects that have raised more than $1 million, and that filter will be applied there. I can then add additional filters on top of this once that's been saved. I'm going to add a new filter. I'm going to look for announcements. So rounds have been announced since October the 1st. As I apply these filters, you can see the list narrows down. Similarly, with the asset screener, I can label this rounds above 1 mil after October 1st. Save to my screener. And as you see, I'm saving these screeners. They're showing up in my test screeners or in my screens library. From here, I can go and access that screen at any point. And I also can view any of the pre-generated Messari screeners. Our investor screener will allow you to filter on the investors in our database, over 18,000 different investors. You can go to our M&A screener, which will show you all of the M&A deals that we have captured in our database, over 1,200 deals, and our fund screener. You can see here over 1,000 funds, same logic. You can apply filters, generate them, save them, download them as a CSV. Thank you.